I gave you my heart.
So we are back again for another unboxing review about the Boya-M1. So let's get into the unboxing. As we can see, this is the box. It's just a small box from Boya lavalier microphone. It's the Boya-M1. Superb sound for presentation and video recording. The side of the box, there's a clip that you can put it on your shirt near to your neck. It is compatible with SLR, your mobile devices, and your video recorder, and plug and play to your computer, to your laptops, to your tablets, to whatever. It's a universal 3.5 jack millimeter. So let's pull it out from the box. As you can see, it's empty now. Let's toss it to the side. So this is the pouch, the instruction manuals, the documentation. Pay attention to these manuals if it's your first time to use it. So you will minimize the damage to the product. So let's take a look what is inside the pouch. Okay, that is the wires are long. Okay, the pouch, pretty good. It looks premium. Let's focus on the items, on what is inside. So this is the jack for your stereo, if ever that you're going to use it in stereo or in your video recorder device, the V8. This is the cushion. There's a battery if you're going to use it in your SLR device camera. So this battery will minimize the power surge going to or coming to the mic from the SLR device if ever that you're going to use it. This is the pin that you're going to put in the mic. So this is the system, the Boya-M1. This is the microphone. You see, we'll be putting in this one, so the noise will be filtered. Okay, this thing is so small. All right, we managed to put it in. So I'm just making sure it is went all the way. It will not slip and loose. Okay, it's pretty lightweight. The wire is 6 meters long. It's pretty long and rubberized. This is the 3.5 jack. You can plug it anywhere you want to if you're going to use it. It's a universal 3.5 jack. So this one is the adapter for your stereo. That's about it.
Meanwhile,
so we're going to test the microphone with and without the Boya-M1. So we'll start it now. So this is the test of the Boya-M1. 1, 2, 3. So this is the test without the Boya-M1. 1, 2, 3. Overall review about the Boya-M1. It's pretty spectacular. It picks up my voice very clearly, and it's very little. It's very lightweight. You can plug it to your SLR camcorder and to your cell phones, and you can easily plug it to your stereo if you're going to use it. And it is very essential if you're going to use in presentation. Pretty lightweight and it's pretty cheap. You can check it to your local store and ask for this kind of model. Starting bloggers and YouTubers, it's very essential and useful. Thank you for watching, guys. Check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.